Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best autism equipment is probably one of the most crucial investments a parent or caregiver can make to support the development and well-being of a child on the autism spectrum, offering tailored solutions that address unique sensory, communication, and behavioral needs, thereby fostering independence and enhancing overall quality of life through carefully selected tools and resources designed to create a more supportive and understanding environment. Number 5. Fidget Dodecagon Stress Relief Toy. Meet the Fidget Dodecagon, the 12-sided cube designed to keep your hands and mind engaged. It's the perfect tool for managing stress and anxiety. This toy helps reduce stress and anxiety by keeping your fingers occupied. It prevents your mind from wandering, allowing you to focus better on tasks. With 12 sides offering gears, buttons, a joystick, and more, there are endless ways to fidget. Enjoy a smooth clicking and spinning experience with its high-quality ABS plastic construction. Use it to release tension and improve focus during work, study, or travel. It's a safe, screen-free way to calm down and stay present. Compact and portable, it's ideal for both children and adults. It's a great gift for anyone dealing with fidgeting, anxiety, or attention challenges. This comes with a protective case, making it a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. Its pocket-sized design means you can take it anywhere for on-the-go relief. What we like? This fidget toy offers a unique 12-sided design to keep hands busy and minds focused. It's perfect for individuals seeking stress and anxiety relief, especially during travel or in quiet environments. If you're looking for a discreet and engaging way to manage sensory needs or simply need a break from screens, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is designed with a focus on sensory input, offering various textures and weighted options to help with self-regulation. Its modular design allows for customization, enabling users to adapt the equipment to specific needs and therapeutic goals. The equipment is made from durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety and longevity for continuous use in therapeutic settings. Number 4. ENSSU Baby Hair Clippers. Introducing the ENSSU Baby Hair Clippers, designed for a peaceful haircutting experience. Its low-noise operation is perfect for children with autism or sensory sensitivities. This device ensures a calm environment for your baby's first haircut. It's crafted to be gentle and safe for even the most delicate infants. Don't worry about messes. This hair cutting kit is waterproof, making cleanup a breeze after every use. Simply rinse and it's ready for next time. Everything you need for a fuss-free haircut is included. This kit provides a convenient and effective way to keep your child's hair tidy. We understand the challenges of cutting a baby's hair. That's why we created this trimmer to be exceptionally quiet and user-friendly for parents and children alike. What we like? Designed with children who have sensory sensitivities in mind, this hair clipper operates at a lower noise level. Its waterproof feature adds convenience for cleaning and use. If you have a child with autism or sensory challenges who finds traditional haircuts distressing, this tool offers a calmer and more comfortable experience. What people say. The product is designed with soft, rounded edges to ensure safety during use. Features a user-friendly interface with intuitive controls, making it easy to operate. The equipment is made from durable, high-quality materials that are built to last. Number 3. Tot Tube Playset Toy Car and Ball Racetrack. Get ready for hours of excitement with this amazing toy. Children will love racing cars and balls down the unique tunnel track. It fits almost any brand of toy car or small ball. Imagine the possibilities with your existing collection. Prop it up against furniture and watch the magic happen. The transparent middle piece lets you see every thrilling moment of the race. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just a flash with no tools needed. It also comes apart in 3 pieces for simple storage. Want even more fun? Buy 2 sets to race side by side or connect them for an extra long racetrack. The adventure never has to end. What we like? This playset provides hours of entertainment with its car and ball racetrack, encouraging imaginative play. It requires no batteries or annoying sound effects, making it a peaceful option for playtime. If you're looking for a toy that promotes simple, engaging fun and is easy to set up and store, this is a great pick for young children. What people say. The product is designed with soft, rounded edges to ensure safety during use. Features a durable, non-toxic material that is easy to clean and maintain. The equipment includes adjustable settings for personalized therapy sessions. Number 2. SpringFlower Girls Garden Building Kit. Introducing a delightful building kit designed for young creators. It's perfect for sparking imagination and building beautiful floral arrangements. With interchangeable parts, kids can design and redesign their floral masterpieces endlessly. This toy offers countless combinations for hours of fun. Crafted from upgraded, non-toxic ABS plastic, this toy is safe for little hands. Its smooth surface and durable design ensure worry-free play, indoors or out. This kit encourages learning through play. It helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and a deeper understanding of plants and creativity. Watch as they build, sort, and create their own vibrant flower bouquets. It's a fantastic way to keep them entertained and engaged for hours. Looking for a special gift? This building set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion, providing a unique and educational experience. What we like? This flower garden building kit allows children to create their own floral designs, fostering creativity and fine motor skills. It's made from safe, durable materials and offers endless combinations for play. If you're seeking an educational toy that encourages imagination, hands-on activity, and an early understanding of plants, this is an ideal gift for young aspiring gardeners. What people say. The product is easy to assemble and use, making it a great option for busy parents. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well into any home decor. The features are intuitive and user-friendly, providing a seamless experience. Number 1. Apluses 42 PCS Magnetic Blocks. Discover a set of 42 magnetic building blocks in 6 exciting colors. These large cubes are designed for little hands, making them perfect for developing grasping skills. They even make a satisfying sound when connected. These blocks are ideal for children aged 3 and older, serving as wonderful autism sensory toys. They help reduce stress and anxiety while improving focus and concentration. Encourage your child's inner genius with these fun magnetic blocks. They are a fantastic tool for STEM education, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills that will last a lifetime. Crafted from non-toxic ABS plastic with smooth, rounded edges, these blocks are safe for toddlers. Their larger size prevents swallowing hazards, and the strong magnetism makes building stable structures a breeze. Watch as children of all ages create amazing 2D and 3D models. These magnetic cubes offer endless fun and are a gift that will never go out of style, perfect for any occasion. Through play, children can develop a strong sense of color, counting, and geometric shapes. They'll also enhance their spatial imagination, architectural design, and hands-on abilities. What we like? These magnetic blocks are designed to help children develop spatial reasoning and creativity through building 3D structures. The larger size and stronger magnetism make them safer and easier for little hands to manipulate. If you're looking for a toy that supports STEM learning, aids in focus and concentration, and is particularly beneficial for children with autism or sensory processing needs, these blocks are a fantastic option. What people say. The product is designed with sensory needs in mind, featuring soft, durable materials that are safe for children. Its adjustable settings allow for customization to suit individual sensory preferences, promoting a calming and focused environment. The equipment is easy to assemble and clean, making it practical for everyday use in homes or therapeutic settings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.